Uyaphila isho.
Ngiyaphila.
Indebenkulu.
La ukhuluma nabafana bendaba enkulu, indaba enkulu media. Kwenzakalani la? What is happening here?
Well, namhlanje sila unyazini namhlanje. Beka bezayo.
Oh.
Yeah, umlando mkhulu namhlanje. So yeah.
Yeah, so how do you feel that you are in Shembe's I don't know if I should say aura or presence, I don't know the proper term, but you get the point. How do you feel that you are within Shembe's? You know what I'm saying, yeah?
Well, Shembe represents divinity, a lot
Yes.
of peace, tranquility,
Yeah.
and so much of blessings. And yes, that's why I come because to create the spirit of oneness. Shembe, when you say Izizwe zonke, it really means that, and he accepts all of us, despite whatever background we come from, what race we are. Shembe is a real hope for all people of the world.
Yeah, so you're saying Shembe is not only for Zulus, it's not only for black people, he's for everyone.
Well, Izizwe zonke. Izizwe zonke.
I listen.
And I urge everyone, those who don't know Shembe, get to know Shembe and the people of Amanazareta, because they are so peaceful, they are so loving. So, I mean, I've been amongst thousands of people today. I might be of Indian origin, but I tell you, this is a true spirit of Ubuntu, oneness, and when you come here, you don't look at color, we are all divine beings under Shembe. One thing I must say, that Shembe, his teachings are so wonderful. It's about dignity, upholding one's proper conduct, also taking care of the wildlife, taking care of the environment. Shembe stands for all these things, and what more do you need in life?
Yeah, so when they say Shembe is their Messiah, Shembe is their God, what do you say? What do you say?
Well, in Indian culture, we call our Messiah Guru. And just on Sunday, we celebrated Guru Purnima. And today, it's so apt that in the Indian culture, we celebrated Messiahs, and today you are with a Messiah. And I feel that oneness, that the Gurus are there to take one towards the godliness and to make one to become righteous in life.
So you're saying Shembe is godly?
Vele uNkulunkulu.
I said that's
Sibone namehlo ingane ukhubazekile usukumile wheelchair. Sibone namehlo so angazi uzothini.
Listen it siyabonga isho. Can you say indaba enkulu?
Ngiyabonga indaba enkulu media for promoting Shembe and this rich heritage of Amanazareta. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga kakhulu isho. Ngiyabonga.
Indebenkulu. Indebenkulu.